Okay guys, I've got this one on centrifugation now, and soon you will hear, well, maybe you can already hear it. The pump is running. It tries to get the water out, but it can't get it out, and then you get this alarm signal and it says E18. So if you heard the pump, it's actually working, but it can't get the water out. What you got to do is now to drain the machine and clean the filter, and the filter is located down here. And before you actually empty the machine on water, you better take off your socks. And the floor here isn't that sensitive, but we got this one over here. Now you hear the sound again. So this one unplugs. Whoops, there it goes. You can see it's coming out here, and it's about, yeah, this is a full machine that I'm draining now, and I'd say this is about 5 liters that's coming out. So the machine is still going, and I will actually just now turn it off. And the purpose with this is that I will be able to open this one where I got the filter and clean that up, put it back, and then turn the machine on so that the pump can work properly in the next, well, sequence of washing. Well, actually this is probably more like 6 liters or 7 liters of water coming out. Initially I thought that I had loaded the machine too heavy, you know, but the machines today, nowadays, they weigh the amount of laundry you can put in there, but these old ones, they don't do that. So I thought I maybe had overloaded the entire system, so I broken the machine, but then this E18, it indicates that it's the draining, the pump that, well, the draining pump that's not working, or not, it's not working properly, and it sounds like and well, it doesn't pump out the water inside the machine. So we will see what's inside the filter, what's blocking it. The reason why I opened this one first is because if I would open that one, everything will come out at once. Now you can imagine, if you have a sensitive floor, that there's going to be a lot of water coming out on your floor. So in that case, you maybe should make some precautions so that you can collect this water. And now you can see that most of it is out. So now you just take this one, you turn it counterclockwise, and you open it entirely, and there you can see a little bit more water came out. And what was that? Piece of plastic for a collar of one of my shirts. And what's more in there? Well, there's sometimes you can, well, a sock can get stuck here or something like that, but that piece of plastic was probably doing it. This one I'm going to wash up. What else is there? Well, there's something more in there. A piece of fishing equipment. Yeah, well, we're gonna take a look. Well, now it's pretty much empty. So you can see there's some, well, this is all cotton and stuff from your laundry that gets stuck in here. But in this case, it was a piece of fishing equipment. Interesting. So now when that one's removed, then we're just gonna put it back again. Goes back in there. Turn it clockwise this time, all the way until it stops. There's a firm stop there, and then we plug it again. Very simple. Fold it, put it back in place, and then we close this lid. So now we can turn the machine on again, and we can put it on centrifugation. We just hit the button. Now we get the symbol up. And now you can hear the pump is going again. You hear the sound? This means that you've been successful. So now it's pumping out the water as it should. Well, thanks for listening, guys. I hope this solved your problem